Okay, let me make sure I'm streaming. Video manager. Live streaming. Okay, I am streaming. Okay, guys. So, today we are going to be looking at this line of thunderstorms that is coming up from Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, parts of Oklahoma definitely. And at the moment, this is where everything's happening. So if we turn on severe, you can see that we have some real stuff going on. Bible Grove, nice. Severe thunderstorm warning until 4:30 CDT or 5:30 EST. Severe thunderstorm watch. That one until 8 EST. And then if we zoom out a little bit and we go down here, you'll see, oh no, it's red. Yes, that is a tornado watch number 162, in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6 p.m. EST for these counties in Arkansas. And yes, this storm is moving at a good, probably, actually, let's check one of these and see what it says. Moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. So that's headed straight for me, which is not good because take a closer look at this, and I am bot on VTech browser, if I can't find a maybe. No, that's just the text. Okay, here we go. Maybe. Yep, VTech. I am. Okay. Anyways, this is taking forever to load. You know what? Let's just go VTech browse and into Google, and boom. Maybe. No, that's on-site news. Boom. That one. Streaming is like making my internet really slow. The map is fine, but yeah, as you can see, this stuff is moving very, very. And this is last updated at 1705, which would be the equivalent to like 505, which was like just now. So, Urbana, Illinois, prepare to get in your areas for severe thunderstorms, along with Harrison, Terre Haute, Charleston. Newton is now in a tornado. They are in a severe thunderstorm watch, surrounded by severe thunderstorm warnings. Nice. VTech browser. Let's go with what? National Weather Service Office issued that. Lincoln. Severe thunderstorm warning. 2017. List events. Okay. So, here are all of the severe thunderstorm warnings. And we're going down here to the 26th at, this one was just, wait a second. Did they just issue a, yep, they just did. National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning severe thunderstorm warning for western Crawford County and south and east central Illinois, Jasper County and southeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6 p.m. Central or Eastern Standard Time, or Eastern Daylight Time, my bad. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bogota, or 10 miles south of Newton, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 mile an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Robinson, Newton, Oblong, Hudsonville, St. Marie, Willow Hill, Eaton, Bogota, West Liberty, Hunt City, Stoy, Yale, Newton Lake, Sam Park State Park, Trimble, and Bel Air. Precautionary preparedness actions. Severe protection between interior room and the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. 70 mile an hour winds. And an inch hail. Not inch. Inch hail. So yeah, that's nice. Jasper, I believe, was that one. Western Crawford and Jasper. So let's see, they've already issued 4 today. And also, going back to the other day when I streamed my last live stream. You can hear the winds. I'll put my mic up to the outside. Can y'all hear that? I hope you can, cause it's yeah. Anyways, going back to this, if we click update page, list events, we will see this one right here. The last time I live streamed, this is actually the alert that actually made me start, because if I can get the text data to load. Oh. And nothing for Grand Rapids hasn't issued anything yet. Because actually right here next to me I have Trusty Dusty.
Winds for southwest at 8 knots in the...
Just that radio, please. And then, behind that, is this one.
Degrees.
Guess that one, please. Guess both radios. It'll be legendary if y'all can guess it. Anyways. Back to this. This is the thing that got issued for me. I was actually in school at the time. And, honestly, there was actually, like, see this part? Quarter-size hail? Yeah, that actually that was not fake, that was real. I was at school in the middle of social studies class, and all of a sudden, just downpouring rain. And then the next minute, it gets louder. And I look outside and I see like ice. And I'm like, what? And I was like, wait a minute, that's thicker than rain. That's hail. So yeah, I was like, I bet you we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. And by golly, we were. When I got back, I went to homeroom at my school. We only do 2 switches. We go from homeroom to science, and science to social studies, and then back to homeroom. So yeah, when I got back to homeroom, I got up my Chromebook, school provided Chromebook, and oh boy, look at that. We were under a severe thunderstorm warning, and then as the day went on, I found myself looking at this. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. This is number 151. Anyways, let's go back to the radar and see. So that's 17, 13. So as you can see, this is getting closer by the minute. So I bet you this will be here by 6:30. So actually, I'll come back when it's here. So yeah, I'll come back when the oh hello. I'm tempted. You guys choose. Do you want me to leave now and come back later when the storm... Oh my goodness! Tornado warning just issued. This? Okay, let's go back to here. This would be Little Rock. Get into Little Rock, Arkansas. Little Rock. First tornado warning, I believe, that has been issued with this storm. So that's something to be... Okay. Come on. Come on. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Prairie County in central Arkansas, southwestern Lono County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, northern Arkansas County in southern Arkansas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 5:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Hamnoak, or 12 miles west of Stuttgart, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impacts, fine debris will be... Oh. Another severe thunderstorm. Fine debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof sidings, or roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. True damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stuttgart, Humphrey, Hamnoak, ULM, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Brummet, Allport, Kisco. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Beep, beep, beep. So, that was just issued, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning that was also just issued by Little Rock, so we'll look at that too. Severe thunderstorm warning 118. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Ouachita County in southern and southwestern Arkansas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Oh, Lincoln. Oh, just nothing. Okay, you know what? Sorry, guys, my cat is being rude. No! You... Listen to him purr. Oh, my cat is crazy. So crazy. Anyways, 14 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Poison Springs State Park. Ooh, that's not a good place to be. To 6 miles southwest of Camden to near Stevens, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to, impact. Expect damage to roof siding injuries. Locations impacted include Camden, Fordyce, Hampton, Bearden, Thornton, Chidester, Lawn, Poison Springs State Park, Collindale, Ellisville, Harlow, Hampton Municipal Airport, Highland Industrial Park, East Camden, Tinsman, Amy, Delhi, Harmony Grove, Frenchport, Elliott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Tornado warning! Text status. Cat, stop licking my hair. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Woodruff County and eastern Arkansas, east central Perry County and central Arkansas, northern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 5:21 p.m. Central Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Hallsville or near Hazen, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Did they issue another one? No, I'm not gonna do that. Impact. Find reasonably dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include, oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Brinkley, Hazen, DeVal's Bluff, Fredonia, Hunter, Alfred, Allendale. Ooh, that's not good. Pepper's Landing, Hallsville, Dobbs Landing, Cotton Plant, Fargo, Tallville, Brassfield, Dagmar, WMA, Keyville, Zent. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 191 and 218. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Beep, beep, beep. Check my cat is pushing me into my monitor. Not nice. Go back to the, oh boy, yep, that's updated, definitely. Oh, yes. You can definitely tell that it's updated because you can see both of the tornado warnings are there. Let's turn this off and actually let's go up, zoom out, and maybe, no, what was this? Watch probability, 95%, nice. Let's see. As you can see, this is actually getting closer by the moment. So, this is moving at a significant speed. So, I'd recommend everyone in the path of this line of severe thunderstorms, I recommend that you probably, if you're outside, go indoors and such, because this is about an hour or maybe less away from hitting the Michigan border, and then Michigan is gonna get hit, which is why I'm charging up my HH, because you never know when you might need it. Oh, Wisconsin? Let's see, Wisconsin. Yes, it's gonna hit Wisconsin first. As you can see, this batch of storms, it's almost to the border. And this is definitely part of it. But as you can see, it's disintegrating. So, I mean, we could either get all of this bad part right here, or it could just disintegrate. But as you can see, there is this part here that's disintegrating, but off to the west, you can see this little cell is growing. So that's definitely not good. But as you can see, this area, I wish I had a pen or something. This area, actually, one second, I do have a pen. Oh, hey, print screen actually works now. So I can use that one print screen application. Let's save that. Lincoln has issued no expired one. Let's go into here. No, I want to go into paint. You'll see what I'm doing here, guys. Just might take me a moment. Drag this into paint. Alrighty. So, this entire little thing, this entire storm, this is moving northeast. So, at about 45 miles per hour. And all of these storms, well, actually, if I can find, I'd say this storm right here looks like it has a hook. So actually, we're going to zone, maybe. I can select freeform. Yeah? Oh, 1 second. Nope, that doesn't work. Oh well. Let's just say. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna let you look at the radar loop. Ouch. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Just gotta put my headphones back on. Alright, so, and the radar lift is the where did I am bot go? Here it is. Oh, it's tornado warning. Cancels Jefferson and Lone Oak. Continues Arkansas and Prairie. Oh, reports a flash flood. Oh, have they issued any tornado warnings prior to this? No, it doesn't look like it. Let's go back up into Wonder Map, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yep, it's this little part right here. I'll let it back there. Oh, hey, Grand Rapids just issued a climate report. And there's the radar. Looks like I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. So I don't think IEMBot has said anything, has it? Oh yeah, Little Rock has just updated some stuff. Let's see. Okay guys, I am going to come back when the part of the storm up here gets closer to me. So yeah, I'll be back later. Signing off now. Signing off.